What is going on, heavyheads? Welcome back to the channel. As always, thank you for joining me. My name is Alan, aka The Natural, if you're new to the channel. Now, as you can see, we've got the whiteboard up. We're going to bring on a new band to the channel here. Most upvotes, that's the band. Pretty simple, right? So, light up those suggestions, comments, blah blah blah. Do it. Alright, so we got a couple of things to address real quick before we get into the music. I got a question from a heavyhead by the name of Snack Cake. Asked me, do I listen to the studio versions of the songs, and how do I stop from listening to the album? That's pretty easy, I just don't do it. But do I also listen to the studio versions of the songs that we have reacted to? And yes, I do. I make myself a little channel playlist, if you will. And lastly, I hope everybody is getting through this whole quarantine thing, keeping themselves healthy, safe, happy, all that good stuff. From here, let's get into some Nightwish, 7 Days to the Wolves. Folky. Goosebumps! Yeah, this whole song is very much like going on a journey, and I really actually like the keyboard that stood out in this because it kind of set this tone for the whole song, and the whole thing felt to me like a song that you would see in a major motion picture. Like this is I hate using the word epic because I feel like it's overused, but this song felt very epic to me. We're gonna actually take a look at one of the sections that I liked most. I love this solo. Nice feel. And then he brings in that tapping. Goosebumps again. And then they just start tearing shit up. And of course, I love that. We're gonna do it one more time, guys. I really did enjoy this song. It was kind of a slow burner though, but it also kind of started with that folky music, which I really enjoy. I love the visualization too. It's great when the visualizations can kind of go with the song, and of course that started with the point of view of like a wolf obviously running through the woods. Such a good band. Keep the suggestions up. Vote on the new band. Until next time, keep it heavy.